what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network, and right now I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make a gift box using we're gonna use a colored paper, a ruler, a glue, yarn, and pencil, and don't forget the scissor. Okay, so grab your materials and let's start. Okay, and we are already done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time to our next video. Bye!